Yeah, so welcome back to Cooking with Therapy. I'm your host, Mercy352 in the day, baby. We're gonna smoke, and I do mean deep smoke, these large colossal shrimp, right? So stay tuned. Better yet, let's just go ahead and get into it. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find somewhere to prepare my shrimp. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay them out flat somewhere outside of the pan so I can get even seasoning on all of the shrimp, right? Or as close as possible to even. All right. So I'm gonna lay these things out. So just bear with me while I, you know, stretch out on this platform real quick. So what I'm doing is this is about 4 pounds of fresh raw caught shrimp. Gives you the best. We got some onion powder, black pepper, adobo. We got some garlic powder back there, and this is my proprietary blend. Now, if you would like to know what I put into this proprietary blend, in the comments down there, hit me up with, yo, what's that seasoning? All right, so here we go with the proprietary blend. We're gonna evenly coat them, like I said before, nice and heavy. When it comes to these blends, a lot of them have salts and seasoning salts and things mixed up. Just if you're high blood pressure, diabetic, watch what you're putting into your seasoning, because once you get it in there, you can't get it out. And we do want you to enjoy what you're eating, right? So let's talk about the therapeutic part of what I'm doing, right? It's hot outside. We don't have a lot of time, so I don't want to be outside over a grill. It's a little too warm outside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to revert to using my electric smoker, which is my baby, y'all. I told y'all about that in the previous cooking therapy session, right? Got lost without one of my kids in the kitchen, but she's back up and running, and we are going to take these shrimp to the next level, right? So what we want to do is make sure while we're cooking these things that we cook them at a temperature that gets them done, but doesn't overcook them, turn them into rubber, because that can be very, be disgusting to say the least, right? Let's just be honest, right? So I flipped all the shrimp. Now I'm going to hit them on the back. Oh, wait a minute. Got a couple of these little guys didn't want to do what I asked them. I said, please, that means you got to do it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and recoat the other side, the same as we did on the front. All right. And that's just for even coating. Once it goes in the smoker, you want, no matter what side of this shrimp that's up on your plate, you want it to be a nice, presentable dish, right? You'll see at the end what it looks like when it gets all prepared and garnished at the end. It's beautiful, beautiful things we're doing here, right? Um, with your seasoning, make it as best you can. All right, so we're finished. That's what that thumbs up means. As you can see here, nice even coat of everything. Then I flip them over, and then I hit them with that zap on the other side evenly as well. You know what I'm saying? Uh, now it's time to take it outside. Let's go. And here we are right now at my favorite place, my smoker, right? We got a cabin temperature right now of 285 true degrees with the smoker set at 275, right? So it's a beautiful thing. We're ready to go. So open the door and look at what we got here. Look at that smoke. You see that nice natural bluish color smoke? That's what we're looking for. What we're gonna do is start at the top, work our way down. You can make this variation with or without like seasonings that are spicy too. So do what you gotta do. Let's fill this bad baby up right now, okay? Look at that. There's one rack, there's two racks and a half. Yeah, as you can see by the shells, these are larger smokers, right? So it's a lot of shrimp in 4 pounds, enough to feed quite a bit of people. So think about that when you're doing your measuring for your personnel, right? Your party peoples, if you will. And we're gonna let that thing marinate like neck bone juice for 45 minutes. We're gonna open the door and look what I told you. Look at that beautiful red color. So these shrimp are being 45 minutes at 275 to 280 degrees. And look at them. I know y'all just saw that juice dripping off of them. That means they're not dry. They're absolutely succulent. Look at the tails, nice and crisp. And that brown lets you know you got a nice smoke on it, right? Beautiful. And here we are garnished, baby, finished with some lime and cilantro. All right, ready to be plated, right? Look at that. Y'all tell me y'all don't want some of this. Lean closer to the screen and you could probably grab one, but don't do it. These belong to me. Yeah, so we looking good, Pot Shaking Nation. Look, thank you for returning to Cooking with Therapy. And as always, if you like the content that you were looking at, remember to like, share, subscribe. I couldn't do this without you, and I do it for you. Mercy 352. See you on the high ground.